CH 14米10.05米7.8米 Jungle Animal Theme Inflatable Park. Made of high quality 0.55毫米 Plato, PVC and double thread stitching. There are many realistic shapes inside, such as elephants, lions, giraffes, monkeys, snakes, bananas, and more. These shapes are perfectly integrated in bouncers, slides, tents, and various obstacles. The overall look is very tropical rainforest. This inflatable theme park holds 40到65 kids and is perfect for rental. If you have custom inflatable park needs for special venues, welcome to contact CH Inflatables. CH Inflatables is a manufacturer of inflatable products for 15 years, providing professional OEM/ODM services. We have developed countless inflatable parks tailored to local conditions, supported by rich design and production experience. The inflatable park of CH Inflatables will design the most reasonable and safest park according to the needs of customers. Of course, strong playability and durability are also one of our pursuits. Over the years, CH Inflatables has been upgrading products based on market trends and customer feedback. For example, we have iteratively upgraded the PVC material, D-ring, Velcro, zipper, corner reinforcement, process, ladder, webbing, etc. used in the product. If you are interested in purchasing an inflatable park, you are always welcome to consult us for more information. CH is looking forward to your consultation.